Peace, what's up? Soupalawyer here. You check me out on soupalawyer.com, Soupalawyer.com. Super today. I need you to go on Google. I need you to type in Pennsylvania Rules of Criminal Procedure, Rule 591, Withdrawal of Plea. Under this rule, Rule 591, you must withdraw your plea within a reasonable time. If you take your plea, try to put a motion in to withdraw your plea within a reasonable amount of time, from the time that you had put your plea in. Also, you must not prejudice the prosecutor's case with you withdrawing your plea. Like, say you in a case and you took the plea and it involved a witness or something like that, and the witness is no longer available, and now you want to pull your plea because you know that the witness is no longer available. And basically you just pulling your plea, hurting the prosecutor's case, because when you took the plea, the witness was available, and now all of a sudden you're taking a plea because the witness is not available or whatever. So by you pulling your plea in a situation like this, you could prejudice the prosecutor's case. That's the second thing. The third thing is you got to paint a colorable argument when you withdraw your plea. For example, I had a brother who put a plea in to plead to an escape charge. He cut off his ankle bracelet, and he entered an agreement to take a plea to the escape charge. And once I got with the brother and I showed him 5121E, defining official detention, and that cutting off his ankle bracelet was not an escape charge because he was not under official detention, the brother wanted to pull his plea. So I told him, basically to get with your lawyer, you got to have your lawyer paint a colorable argument. I explained to the brother that there is no case laws out there with anyone making this argument about 5121E, defining official detention. So what he might want to do in his motion is make a comparison. He could compare his case to one of the four categories. The four categories of finding official detention: one might be an arrest, two might be a facility, three might be deportation and extradition, and four might be law enforcement purpose. So under one of them four categories, defining official detention, he can compare his case. He can compare his case to a case where somebody was in a facility to show that he was not in the facility. He can compare his case to law enforcement purpose to show that he was not under law enforcement purpose, and basically paint a colorable argument. This is something that his lawyer must do in this motion. Paint a colorable argument to show that, he got good reasons for withdrawing his plea. So if you don't paint a colorable argument, it's a good possibility that your motion to withdraw your plea will not get granted. So it's three things. One, you got to paint a colorable argument. You got to use case laws. You got to use statutes. You got to use rules. You got to paint a colorable argument to show the judge that, withdrawing your plea, you got good reasons for asking to withdraw your plea. And hopefully if the judge see that you painted a colorable argument, he will withdraw your plea. Also, making sure that you filing to withdraw your plea within a reasonable amount of time after you had entered in an agreement to take the plea. This is the Super Today. You go on Google, you can type it in, Pennsylvania Rules of Criminal Procedure, Rule 591, Withdrawal Plea. Anytime you get good information that's helpful to you or someone that you might be helping with their case, you souped up, man, because I'm souped up. We both souped up, man. Soup is always good. The Super Today. Be on the lookout for the talk show. Monica and Don Heroic Talk Show. You're only going to be able to see it on salpeers.com. If you like to interact with a community of your peers, you can join us on salpeers.com. That's SALPEERS.com. If you want any information on offenses or assistance with litigation, you can find it on soupalawyer.com, Soupalawyer.com. If you heard something that you like, please hit the like button, the share button, and the subscribe button. I'll catch you next time. Peace.